Temu FREE Gift 2026, how I got mine, step-by-step tutorial. How are people even getting Temu free gifts in 2026? Yeah, same here. I wanted to know if this thing's actually real, so I tried it, and guess what? It actually worked. Alright, let's get started. Step 1. Install the Temu app. First things first, download the Temu app using the link in the description or the pinned comment. Once it's installed, just log in or sign up with your main account. Don't skip this part. Guest accounts can't use the free gift campaign, so yeah, you need to be logged in properly. Step 2. Find the free gift section. Now once you're inside, scroll through the home page until you spot something that says free gift or freebies. Tap on it. That's where all the current 2026 gift campaigns show up. Step 3. Enter the code. Here's where the magic happens. I'm going to type in FRD210654 in the enter code box, or just scan the QR code on screen. It'll take you straight to the live free gift page where you can see your options. Step 4. Start your progress. You'll see a progress bar. Basically, every time you share your link, invite a friend, or even check in daily, your bar fills up. Keep going until it hits 100%. Step 5. Claim your free gift. Once you're there, just tap claim now, confirm your shipping address, and boom. Temu ships it out usually within a week or so. Super simple. Final note. Alright, so before you click away, use FRD210654 or scan that QR code right now to join. These free gift events fill up really fast, so don't wait around.